my personal mission to bring a technology to the world that makes the world a little bit greener, or at least the way we live as humans. So for me, the best way to make sure that this technology was valorized was to take it into industry and take it into the market and actually build new tools with all of this knowledge and not just create knowledge. At Biotech, we engineer microorganisms like baker's yeast to do something else that is great for humanity. For example, produce a molecule that we consume a lot. Vanilla is one of the ones that we make. So we are offering alternative production methods using our microorganisms as our heroes to produce this in a biological fashion. I was only trained as a scientist, not as an entrepreneur. So there are a few local organizations that really helped us out. The first one I attended was Venture Lab North. I followed a year's track that trained me in all of the little ins and outs on sales, marketing, all of these things that you don't learn in science. And the second one that I followed was the B-Start program, who focuses really on clean tech and making sure that clean tech gets to the market.